Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's good to be back on YouTube. And let me apologize for not getting a video up in about 3 or 4 weeks. Just been really busy. We've had a lot of rain here in Georgia. We had 4 inches just 2 days ago, so it's kind of prohibited me from getting out and doing things I want to do. Plus, I've been really busy at work. But anyway, this video today is going to be about my latest creation with the Wood-Mizer LT35. It's just it's not a sawmill video, but it's a part of sawmilling. It's enjoyment when you can mill wood and then build something, and so that's what this is about. If you remember back in the summer, we had raccoons getting into the chickens, and so I had to rebuild their house, their coop. So I kind of feel like I built a chicken Taj Mahal. And so what I want to do today is just show you that real quick. I'll put in some pictures of the stages that I built it in. Just got it finished. I got one window that I need to trim out in the front, but I've got to make some adjustments because one of the pieces of siding is a little thicker than the others. So, but yeah, I'm happy with it. I got the chickens moved in there last night, and I think they're happy. So we'll see. So here we go. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe. We're getting on up there. We've got over 600 now. Love for you to be an addition to that. Nobody will bug you, but just hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about the chicken house. And I do appreciate you watching. Thanks. So this is the new chicken Taj Mahal. It's basically a 10 by 10 structure with a 10 by 10, what I call a playpen on the end of it. It's for the chickens to stay dry, get around and move in. I do have to cut this wire back and attach it to the building so the goats can't get down in here, but the chickens are still trying to figure it out. I put them in here last night, but I put this up as a roost. Hopefully they'll use that just to hang out on and chill. Got their food in there and their water. And so now we're going to go inside and I'll show you the inside. So this is their front door. Basically, when you come inside, the whole left third of the building is for the chickens, and the rest of it is for just going to be for storage of feed and whatnot, and maybe future expansion. We do have a small chick box that we're going to put in here to put the chicks in, but this is basically what I have for the chickens right now. This is a roost rack. I saw this on somebody else's Etsy video or Etsy picture, I think it was. But anyway, it's just for the chickens to roost at night. There's 3 levels. They'll come in here through the opening that we got cut for them, and then the chicken wire goes all the way to the top, and I did put 10 on the top of it just to keep all the critters out that might want to get in here. At the very bottom of it, I've got wire that I'm going to cover up down there at the bottom, keep critters from digging in there. Going in here, and I'm going to run one of the chickens out. But these are the nesting boxes I just threw together with scraps of wood. She was sitting in one of them just a second ago, so I probably interrupted getting an egg, but she'll get back up in there. And it'd be real simple. Open up the door, open up this little screen door, and grab the eggs. So that's the inside. Be plenty of room for them in here. We have shavings from all over the floor, actually from wood we've planed. Have a barrel over here full of additional shavings that I can put out for the chickens. So that's the inside of it. Let's go back outside. So this is one end of the chicken house, Chicken Taj Mahal. Had to put up the speed limit sign for the Amazon drivers because they fly in here and fly out. So maybe they'll see it and slow down just a bit. But anyway, got a window on this side. I'll probably end up doing some battens on these cracks. Put the wood up green after it was milled, knowing that it was going to shrink. So I'm going to come back and put battens up. I've got them, a bunch of poplar battens that Jason had cut, so we're going to put those up. But anyway, then this is the back side of it. Just a straight wall, nothing fancy. And we did mill all this wood. Full disclosure, I did have to go to the big box store and buy some for the outdoor playpen here because I didn't have time to get it all milled and cut down, trees cut down, milled, and then put it together. I was wanting to get it done, and this first of the year has been really busy. So, but anyway, we got 2 windows on this end of the chicken house. In the summer, I can take those out and just allow more airflow. And you see one of them going in there. They're still trying to get used to it and figure it out, but put the roost up over there for them to climb up on. Hopefully they'll take advantage of that. So this is 10 feet by 10 feet also, and you can see the wood that we didn't mill. This is the box store stuff, and the 2x6 is for the truss. Everything else is milled from wood right here from the property, so except of course for the treated wood. But anyway, this fence will come out. I've got to cut it and bring it back over to attach to here, keep the goats from going down in there. Then we'll have front door access right straight from the rest of the property. So anyway, that's it. Really appreciate you guys watching. Maybe somebody can learn something from it. I did. I watched other chicken house videos and took a few ideas here and there. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And again, thanks for watching.